Okay guys, I have some exciting news. First of all, I'll be speaking at Traders Fest on December 19th. So it's a trading conference hosted by Rainer Thiel. I'm sure some of you guys know about him. He's a forex trader based out of Singapore, and Rainer hosts this online conference every single year where he invites professional traders to come and speak about their markets and their trading strategies and just their overall thoughts on the market. So you'll see some speakers trading futures, forex, and for me, I trade stocks. So if you guys are interested, the signups are free to attend live. So that will be December 19th. If you scroll down the website, you'll see the list of the traders here, and that's me, Shay, humble trader. And you'll see me, I'm speaking on the topic of how to find your edge in the ever-changing market conditions. I was gonna talk about some more bad jokes, but I don't know why he removed that from the topic. I feel like that should be the main point here. So I'll be speaking on December 19th. You can see here Saturday at 9 p.m. GMT. That's the Asian time zone, and which is 8 a.m. EST. Wait a second. That's like 5 a.m. here in Vancouver. What did I just sign up for? Anyways, so I'm gonna be waking up at 4:30 a.m. on the Saturday and to speak with you guys at 5 a.m. So please sign up. I don't want to wake up at so early and see that there's like 3 people showing up. So you can sign up and attend the webinar for free. I'll leave the link below. I think there's a limit to, I think like 10,000 people, up to 10,000 sign up. So make sure you claim your spot. I think there's also a premium version where you can get recordings. But you can find out about that somewhere on the website. And the second announcement I want to make is my new website, a wholly rebranded Humble Trader website. So make sure to go check that out. I'm very happy about how it turns out. You can see Humble Trader, that's me. Join the Humble Trader community over here, and some reviews, etc., etc. You can read about that here. Some success stories from members in my chat room, meet our people, real community, real members. You can also read more about me. Hey there, my name is Shay. That's me, by the way, and the rest of my teams under our coaches here. Meet the team. So feel free to take a look around. I'm really happy about how it turns out. And the owl is so cute. So I'll leave the link to both of those websites we just talked about in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about some trades on a Monday today. So today was a choppy day, and I did end the day small red. I'm down about $1,400. Not a big deal. That's very small for me. But I just got chopped up. Out of the few trades I took, let me see. The 4 main trades I took, only one was a very, very clean winner. So let's talk about it first. PLTR, I was looking to short the follow through on the downside. I also shorted this on Friday. You can see I started in small. Once it starts holding, I got out, stopped out, small loss. But you can see, popped to 30s and just rejected, and we got the nice sell-off down to $24. Also, market was rolling over as well, so that also contributed to the huge sell-off. You can see I had a small entry here, but wow, I missed so much to the downside, and that sucks. I didn't think we were gonna roll over that heavily. So small short, you can see I went back short here and I gave back a lot of profit. So overall, this trade ended up being pretty much flat. Even though I had a loser here first, a small winner, and then a small loser here. Just really choppy day. I really just should have just left this alone maybe after the second trade, but it is what it is. Second trade, which is also very choppy, as you will see, MRNA. So, I was short pre-market. I cut it right away. You can see pretty much here. So I'm very proud about that. And also here, I had a small short, and I actually tried to go long off the open. I also got stopped out. So I took a loss starter on the short side and then the long side really quickly. And this is where I got the long. But the breakout was also not that clean for MRNA today. So, I did make some money back on the long side. You can see, off the basing around 146.50, sold into the pushes around 149s. And then, this is where I got a nice short, because at the time, 150s was holding up. There was a lot of sellers around 149s, 150s. You can see, it tried again here, and then over here, failed each time it approaches this area, right? Nice shorts down here. And then that's also with the entire market selling off. And I was looking for more downside follow through actually on MRNA. And that's where I actually got squeezed, trying to re-enter the short. So that's what I mean by it's not a clean trading day for me. A lot of times when I make some money early on, the small starter cut was okay. I don't regret taking those. But I do regret going back in short for the follow through to the downside way too quickly. I basically gave back all the profit on the ticker from the long and the short. I just got chopped up. So red on mRNA overall. I did do better on the long side, but the short I got squeezed big time. But it's okay. Still, within my risk tolerance, but just really could have traded this better and be more patient instead of trying to add over here. So this ad is what really killed me on mRNA short. So, and then it's a similar story with NVAX. NVAX, I didn't trade with as much size as the mRNA. So even though, I did make some small profit, it still wasn't, it wasn't anything significant. I went long first. I was more long biased. You can see I longed here. We got a nice breakout to 137 and just reversed. I stopped out all of it for a loss. I did re-long this here, thinking, and I even added here, you can see I tried to go in, adding, thinking that we're going to get this kind of breakout. But we rejected that really quickly and just sold back down. So chopped up on the long side over here as well. And then tried to scalp short. But overall, the trade on NVAX still didn't do that great. Got chopped up with the vaccine stocks. Today, if I had just avoided NVAX and mRNA, it would have been a nice day. But no, I decided to fight the battle. NIO was out of all the stocks I traded, was the best trade on the day. And if I, wish I just traded NIO and left everything else alone. But, could have, would have, should have. So NIO sold off with the entire market that we talked about. If you look at Tesla, it was also selling off too. Tesla pretty much sold off from 600 all the way down to 555. While I didn't trade Tesla, I did go in on NIO. NIO, you can see once it approaches this daily support level around 49, low 49s, and then later on around, you can see right here, right? If you just look at a daily chart, 48.30s, that's why I went in long. Have a starter, when you are trying to long these massive sell-offs with the entire market, you cannot go in like full size right away. You want to wait for the bottom to show itself and then add on the bottoms. So here, if your starter size is, if your full size is 1,000 shares, you don't want to go in with anything more than 100, 200 shares. That's how you build positions. Because if I'm wrong, I want to get out, and I don't want to be wrong on full size. So 49s. Added some here around 48.20s. I never got to full size on NIO. That's the thing. You can see this is a 1 minute chart already. I was waiting for, usually it bounces to, that's where I sold my first portion. It'll bounce to, 49.60s and then do a lower high and a double bottom. You can see, but we never really even tested $49 after that. So that's where I missed my ad. I didn't have my ad to full size. But even with a small starter size, 48 selling to 49s, and then 50s and $50.40 was as high as I got. That's still very nice profit. And this is you can see from all the trades today, it's the cleanest trade I did today. So could have held it for, went all the way to 52. But you never know about these things. So, I'm all out. NIO, nice profit, but after, even despite the profit on NIO, I'm still, had tons of paper cuts from mRNA and NVAX that you saw, and then the PLTR. Now the last trade is very small, I never got a big size on this, CAAS. So this one, the action was a little bit strange. I just kind of grinded down all day. So I had the small shorts. It's also easy to borrow at Cobra, and also I believe Interactive Brokers too. So I had a small short, 770s. I was also trading mRNA at the time, so I never added into it. It would have been nice, but I didn't. So I was basically all out out half of it around 780s and 710s, all out here. Reshorted here around 760s and got the rest of it around 640s and then down here. But very small position sizes for me because I was focused on the vaccine stocks, which I wish I didn't, but it's okay. It is what it is. So make sure to check out Traders Fest. It is free to attend. I hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.